What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're actually down at our neighborhood pond, and what's interesting about this video is we're fishing with a lighter. We are literally fishing with a fishing rod lighter that I got at Lowe's one day. Just thinking, this would be pretty cool if I made a video out of it, but I actually did. So in this video, we are fishing with a mini fishing rod lighter, so let's get right into it. Yep, I just caught a tiny little brim on a fishing lighter, a fishing rod lighter. So, yeah, pretty cool.
Oh, he's so cute.
Turn the fishing rod lighter into an actual fishing rod that can catch fish.
Where'd you get him?
With the same guy?
Another little brim. This reel isn't the best because it's a fishing. The lighter.
Emory's cleaning up today at the neighborhood pond.
Little sunfish.
There he goes.
There we go. Another fish on the lighter. It's actually probably the biggest one we've caught yet. Nice brim. I'm gonna put him back. There he goes. There we go. Another brim on the lighter.
A little bit different than catching a Mayan cichlid, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit different than in Florida. There you go. There we go. Oh, he got off. The reel isn't exactly best for reeling, so he got off because it stopped. The reel kind of stopped and I couldn't reel in anymore. All right, guys, we got the first fish on the lighter. Don't mind my socks, I'm just trying to stay warm with some long socks. So, nice little brim on the lighter, so pretty neat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was really fun to make. We caught actually a lot more brim. I just thought that we would make a video later, not do it exactly then, but we did. So we made a video using that fishing rod lighter. It was really, really fun. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.